Alright, we're over here at the Travco, so I'm trying to figure out what to do with that. So, yeah, just a fair warning, this video, it's a rambling session. I'm just going to get right to it. I'm not doing anything on it, just I'm trying to get your guys' opinion. So, yeah, let's get to it here in a minute. All right, so what's going on with the Travco? Well, here we sit, and it's on a back burner still. You know, I still got lots of things I gotta do with it, but yeah, let's see. I'm still trying to this system out and everything. Whoa, that's not attached. That is not attached. Careful. So yeah, pretty much right now it's just the planning stage. I don't know if you guys want to watch a planning stage video or not. You know, it won't be a too long video if I do one. You know, be like, okay, what's going to go on with this? What am I planning to do with that? The walls, bathroom, bedroom. You know, just it's a short planning video. Well, maybe short. I don't know. If it's going to be short or not. But right now, it's on a back burner because of obvious reasons with medical issues, and I just don't have the energy right now with stuff going on. So yeah, unfortunately, like a lot of the other projects I got right now is just sitting. I'm really sorry about the no content so much lately. But yeah, that 440 in there, good engine, good strong running engine. It does need a carburetor tune. You know, I need to get some cold start videos and, you know, so you guys can watch on that sometime. And sorry if my camera is askew, so is my tripod. It's kind of tight back in there where you guys are sitting right now. But yeah, so I do have plans for it. It's I have been kicking around the idea, to be honest, about getting rid of it, letting it go to somebody else, because I do want to fix it up and I want to go camping and just travel and stuff like that. Have fun when I can, you know. But shoot, you know, I got so much going on right now, and I hate to say it, and I really hate seeing these projects sit around, you know. So like there is some up for sale that are on the marketplace. Some of you probably seen them. So yeah. So I'm sweating up like a horse right now. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not, but yeah. If you guys want to see a planning video, though, you know, I will be going around looking at the different things, seeing, you know, what I need to do, make a list, you know. Do you guys want to watch something like that? Let me know down below, you know, if you guys are still here. So, yeah, it's been very tiring lately, but yeah. So, I tell you what, trying to figure out this recording stuff with new different things, you know, microphones, tripods, clicker buttons. That's kind of really handy too. I'm liking this little guy. I tell you what, this is pretty neat actually. Just like the little mic here. But I know I'm rambling a lot again. Not much going on, just rambling, and more rambling. Anyway, if you guys are still here though, and you want to see me do more stuff with the Travco, or you know, or if I should let it go to somebody else, please let me know down below. Maybe you're interested, you know. We'll see. Let me know down below though, because I'm I'm feeling at a bypass, I guess you could say, or I don't know. I don't know what to do right now, you know, and I have so many plans that I want to do, but I can't right now, you know, and it's killing me. It's like, there's just so much stuff I want to do. There is, but, yeah. You guys want me to see about fixing this old girl up, or should I let it go down the line, you know? Anyway, enough of me rambling, but if you guys are liking these videos, you know, I got lots of stuff coming up still of what I can do a little bit of anyway. But yeah, let me know down below, and subscribe and hit that bell to keep, you know, keep up to date with everything that's going on, you know, my posts and stuff, because I got that community thing I'm still trying to learn. I got the Instagrams, you know, I got a Patreon that really helps out with the projects too. I got merch coming, you know, got work shirts coming. I got t-shirts if you guys want to get some of that, you know. It all is going to help out all the projects on here. You know, it's going to help me out. All the merchandise also helps out my my friend's site as well. So please, you know, yeah, just let me know what I should do, you know, because I love this motorhome. I hate seeing stuff sit around, but I got too much stuff sitting around. I need to let some go. I'm bad at it. I'm a bad hoarder. I'll admit it. I will admit I am a hoarder of vehicles and tools and rust and junk and equipment. I'm just a hoarder. I'm sorry. You know, I'm sorry. I can't help it. Anyway, I hope you guys are liking what you're seeing. You know, keep tabs on everything. You know, and I might do a giveaway sometime. I was thinking about 5,000 subscriber giveaway. We'll see. Anyway, I think it's enough of me rambling. So we'll see you on the next one. I'll catch you later. Psst. What are you doing up in here? Out. Nope. Out.